Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Saldivar, in case you're new here. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate the love and support. So today we have another Louis Vuitton haul. So if you would like to see me get into these goodies, then please keep watching. Where shall we begin? First, we're gonna start with this guy right here, and I haven't opened any of this stuff since I bought it because I've been traveling so much for work that I haven't had the chance to actually like sit down and film this for you guys. Let's get into it. So first, I'm gonna start with this guy, and again, I don't know what's in here. Ooh, yes, I remember. So I picked up a shawl, and I don't have any shawls from any other designer brand, but I saw these colors. And I just thought it was so beautiful. It's neutral, but yet glam at the same time, like shimmery. I loved it. The base color is like almost like a grayish white pewter kind of. And then the lettering obviously is this gorgeous reflective gold. It has the feathering here towards the bottom. Love the detail. Color, look, oh my god. Look how reflective and pretty that is. I love that. It's the perfect, elegant, like, cover up. 47% silk, made in Italy. I bet we made in Italy, you know what I'm saying? You can style these a million different ways. You can wear them as a scarf, you can wear them more as like a shawl to cover your shoulders if you're wearing like a cocktail dress. These are universally flattering. I mean, I know right now it's wrinkled because I haven't steamed it, but I just feel like you can wear this, you know, over your shoulders like this if you were, you know, if you had a cocktail dress and it was wintertime, like it's cold right now, I would totally throw this on top of a nice little black dress. Also, wear it more as a scarf, kind of this way, and just tie it and then just have it kind of draping. So I'm not going to go into all the different ways that you can wear this for this video for the sake of time, but if you guys want me to do a separate styling video as to how the different ways that I could wear this, let me know and I'm happy to do that for you guys. And next we have oh, I know what this one is. Oh. I don't want to damage the tissue paper, so I'm just going to remove that. Everything comes with its own dust bag, of course. Oh, yes, this one. Oh, look how gorgeous. How beautiful is this clutch? I wanted to get something that I could use forever. I wanted something that I could dress up or dress down. This I think would be really cute, even with just a pair of jeans and a white t-shirt, maybe some nude pumps, and you know, just put this under your arm as an accessory. This is the patent leather, so I love how it's like glossy and shiny looking. The logo still has the protective plastic on it, so I'm not going to take that off just yet. But on the inside, it's actually a lot more spacious. You have one pocket here on the outside for easy access, and you know, slip your phone in here. And then on the inside, you have a zipper. Whoa. Oh, is there care instructions? Louis Vuitton evening. Oh, I didn't know that. Guess what's the... Oh, and it came with a little envelope inside. What is this? Ooh. Okay. I didn't know that this bag came with this, but it comes with actually like a little wiping cloth, which is perfect because this bag, because it is patent leather, it's very easy to get fingerprints on. So I love how they thought of that and they included that into in the packaging. And one of the main reasons also why I decided to get the nude and not to get the black one, because the black is also stunning. But the black one, it's very, very obvious when you have fingerprints on there. And I just thought that the nude was something that I could wear also with black, but more with white, and just have a more have more of a variety when it comes to my wardrobe choices with this one. So that's why I decided to go with the nude. And like I said, it's very spacious on the inside. We still have the plastic protecting the logo. So I'm gonna leave that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 areas for storage, which I think is pretty damn good for a clutch. So super happy with this one and very pleasantly surprised that it came with like that little wipey to keep that bag nice and clean. So, and this is, for you guys that are wondering the name, this is the Louise EW, and this is obviously in the color nude. That back into its dust bag. Welcome home, welcome to mama. Oh, okay, for the care, just really quick, it says, oh, evening. These articles are born of meticulously selected materials of the highest quality. Okay, get it. Love it, thank you. Next, so let's start with this one. Okay. I love unboxing these. I love unwrapping it. A gift. It's a gift. Why else do we work so hard? Okay. I'm gonna set the box down. Ooh, this is a bag that I think if you are a Louis Vuitton lover or if you are just somebody who needs a big bag in general, this is a really good investment. This is like one of the most popular Louis Vuitton bags. I actually did not own it prior to this, but I have another bag that I constantly use when I travel, and I wanted to give that one a little bit of a break, so I ended up picking up this one. And I also don't have anything with the Damier logo, so I went ahead and picked up the Neverfull. This is the MM size, so the medium one. And I think, like I said, it's just a beautiful addition to my collection. I did go ahead and select the one that had the rose pink interior. I think it's so beautiful. And what I do like is that now they actually come with this extra, oops. They actually come with this extra coin bag that you can easily actually just remove and just take this with you. So if you're going someplace and you don't want to take a full-on bag, maybe I don't want to take my my nude clutch, I can easily just pop this off and just take this with me. This is one of the more popular styles that Louis Vuitton has. This bag gives you the space that you need while not sacrificing the beauty and the craftsmanship that Louis Vuitton gives you. And I think that the nice interior pink is a fun pop. So that's why I selected that. Oh, and then also you can, what I learned is that you can actually turn this in. You can fold these in, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. When my sales advisor showed me how to do this, I was like, oh my God, that completely changes the entire look of the bag. But really, it just makes it a little bit more boxy. You just have to finesse that a little bit. But I do like having the ability to wear it more than one way. So if you want to wear it like this, you can definitely cinch it here on the end. Or if you just want to wear it, you know, fully out like this, then you can also do that. But I like having the option to do both. Welcome to the fam. So this is going to be my favorite item that I think that I picked up. I really love that nude clutch too though, so I shouldn't say my favorite, but definitely a statement piece that I don't currently have anything like this. So you guys can probably guess what it is. I'm feeling a bit of a theme during this recent trip. I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh, look how beautiful she is. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So this is the Twist MM in pink epi leather. Just look at the details on this baby. And it still has the plastic covering protecting the letters, just like the other bag, so I'm gonna leave that on there. But, oh baby, I love the gray interior. Love, 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 love. Yes, this is the other part of why I love this bag, and I'm so glad that my sales advisor showed me how to change it, because this you can either wear, you can definitely carry it or put it you know, on the inner part of your arm, or what you can do, and this is what this is, you can also attach the chain, but I do like how it's removable, so you don't have to have it on there. But whoop, if you want to switch it up, you could just go ahead and place these onto the straps right here. This is removable, this comes off. So you would place this on top like so, and then you would have the option of carrying it as a long chain bag on your shoulder. So I love having the option to do both. But really, I just felt like this was such a pretty bag, and it really is just, in my opinion, a piece of art that I know that I'm going to just love and cherish for many, many years to come. On camera, I know it might look a little bit small, but it's pretty wide here on the sides, and then the depth is pretty big. And I normally tend to stay away from bags like this that are just so color specific. I'm a neutral person, and I like to have pieces that I can adjust and use with different outfits. But when I saw this, I'm just like, you know what? It's just so damn pretty, and I really loved the yellow detailing here, so I thought that made it pretty unique and not just like a pink bag. So really enjoyed this. I was actually torn between this one, the pink one, or the black one, the black and silver, which is also a beautiful, beautiful bag, but I wanted something, like I said, that was going to be more of a statement piece, and I really have nothing else like this in my collection. So super happy that I picked this up, and yeah. So that is it for the haul, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave me a thumbs up if you want more unboxing videos. And leave me a comment down below if there's any other types of videos you guys want to see. Vlogs, unboxing, beauty, skincare, you name it, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.